Step inside this fully updated all-brick executive home in Oak Ridge and you will be wowed. This fabulous property is meant for entertaining with an open floor plan and high-end finishes throughout. Master on the main with a custom spa-like bath and large walk-in closet. Cook's kitchen with a commercial stove, butler's pantry, oversized island and a breakfast nook. Exposed beams in the large living room and a sunroom that is perfect for relaxing. The upstairs features 3 nicely sized bedrooms, 2 additional bathrooms, a bonus room, large laundry room, and tons of storage. Retreat to the lower level to find an oversized entertainment space with full bath and wood-burning fireplace. Enjoy the seclusion of your fenced-in backyard from your cozy deck. Make this amazing property your home.